Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you three tops that I have purchased from Farfetch, recently added to my Capsule wardrobe collection to replace my 4 older blouses that I no longer find use in my wardrobe. Not sponsored in any way, pay for it with my own money. The first top that I would like to show is from Maison Margiela. It is the scallop hem button down shirt. It's in white color. It's got a sweet sort of feminine style to it. As you can see, the collar is got the lace bordering, and also the sleeve has the lace to it. This is in size 40. And you do get 2 spare buttons in case you need to replace the buttons. And here it is. It's the material, as you can probably tell, is a bit firmer and medium weight, which is perfect for autumn and winter layering. It's got the Maison Margiela branding on the bottom, so if you tuck your shirt inside pants, that wouldn't really show. Yes, so very sweet sort of lace bordering for the sleeve. It is of a long sleeve, which is why I think it's perfect for the cooler seasons. It is made in Italy, and as you probably would have guessed, it's something that I can hand wash, which is a major criteria for when I choose my everyday pieces for my wardrobe. So medium weight, very simple looking, elegant, feminine, sweet style, which is something that I don't have currently in my wardrobe. So that's the reason why I have chosen this style. It is something that I can see myself wearing for work, as well as during my off-duty times when I go out for shopping or a casual date. Yeah, so I will do mod shots later at the end of the video to demonstrate how these look. Now the second item, also from Farfetch, is by the brand Bimba y Lola. And you can see once I unpackage this the different in style. So this is it's still long sleeve, but you can see the fabric is a lot lighter, and it's got patterns. I think they're like corals, very colorful against the white background fabric. The length of this shirt is a lot shorter than the previous one. It is not cropped, but it is much shorter in length. The material is 100% viscose, which is good for spring and autumn. Spring on its own, or autumn for layering. As you can see here, it's again hand washable. This time the top is actually made in China. It's 100% viscose. You do get a spare button. Look, overall, I love the design of this top. Again, it's not something that I've ever had in my wardrobe previously or currently, so it fills a very unique purpose. I see this more for my off-duty time, relaxed, going out with friends on for a brunch or something like that. But I think equally I could wear it in the office space as well during work. So very versatile pieces I've chosen this time as I curate and upgrade my capsule wardrobe. Now this third one, fun packaging here, also from Farfetch, but the brand, this is the brand packaging. The brand is called Societe Anonyme, which is not a brand I've heard before. But again, I'm quite new to the fashion sort of, designer items and things like that, so it might have been a famous brand, but I have no idea about this brand before. Now this is a much lighter weight yet again. It's semi-sheer actually. It is the striped button-up silk shirt, so perfect for summertime or springtime when you layer with a cardigan or something like that, or a light jacket. So 100% silk, and again made in Italy and hand washable. Simple button up, but it does have a bit of a different design at the back, which you will see when I do the mod shots at the end of the video. So yeah, this is again a very versatile use I would find in my wardrobe. I can wear it for work, but equally I can wear it during off work times on my day outs. Very lightweight and perfect for the hotter months. Now here it is that I'm modeling my last shirt that I've just unpackaged. As you can see, very sheer, and now this is the design at the back that I was trying to talk about just then, that adds a bit of a different element to this shirt, which you wouldn't be able to tell from the front. As you can see, very semi-sheer type of fabric, so you do need to wear a base layer. Long sleeve, but very cool feel to it. The sleeve does have a bit of a design to it. It crunches up on one side, giving it a bit of a flare, making it looking quite elegant. And the back here, you can still see that ribbon design sort of across the back, even when you tuck the shirt in. Just showing how you could easily layer this item for the cooler months with a sweater. Here I've got a cashmere sweater that I've embossed and reviewed in my other video, which I will link. I'll put a link at the bottom or the top of the screen. So yeah, when you do layer it, you still get to see the stripe pattern from the collar. Here's the mod shot for the second item that I have unboxed. As you can see, it's a lot shorter in length. Again, lightweight, but not as sheer as the last item. It is more difficult to tuck this one in, so just bear that in mind if you prefer shirts to be tucked in, which is why I think this is more my casual day out look, because I do prefer to tuck my shirt in for work so it doesn't get in the way. Love the pattern, the colorful coral. I am finding myself gravitating now to patterns that are a bit more bigger in size, a bit more artistic looking rather than repetitive sort of small size patterns. The buttons there are also, as you can see, detailed buttons, which is what I love. So yeah, overall you can tell it serves a very different purpose in my wardrobe. Now the third one is the Maison Margiela long sleeve shirt, the most, I guess, classic type of style of button down shirt, and also the longest in length, and the heaviest in terms of weight of the fabric. So this is more for my cooler months like autumn and winter. It is more also, when you tuck it in, it gives a lot more of a corporate look, but also with the lace design that is, gives it the feminine touch, but not make it sort of too girlish, which is what I like about this top. Now, if it's in the winter months, you can easily layer it again. Here I've got on my cashmere sweater over the top again, and what I like about it is when you show just the collar, it's still able to, you're still able to show the lace design on the collar, which makes it look less boring. Now, just showing you these 4 blouses that I am replacing with the new 3 that I've just shown you, and you can see a bit of a pattern here. They're all well, 3 out of the 4 sleeveless blouse tops with repetitive small size pattern. Just me looking at it now makes me feel a bit dizzy, which is why I no longer enjoy these pieces in my wardrobe. I've worn them for quite a few years now, but I think my tastes must have changed. And this one I've had from Zara. I used to love this, love this blouse and top, and I still do, but in terms of the look, but I really don't find it practical for my lifestyle now as a mum. The sleeve really gets in the way when I do household chore, and during work time it also gets in the way when I try to wash my hands at the sink, which I do have to do quite often for my job. So that's the reason why I've changed it to these 3 blouses or shirts instead, with actually quite a bit of versatility. Like with my older 4 tops, especially the 3 that are sleeveless, they're very corporate looking, so I really can't see myself wearing them on my days off, whereas these 3, despite it, you can style it so it looks more casual formal for work, but equally, if I style them with jeans or skirts or shorts, underneath, it just changes the whole look to be a very much casual look that I can actually feel comfortable going out on a non-work day. So that's it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you've enjoyed it. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I really appreciate all the support that you give me in helping me grow my channel. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Bye.